Base 44 versus Replete versus Cursor. So which AI coding tool is better? Let's find out. Let's start with Base 44. This platform focuses heavily on AI app generation, allowing you to describe an idea in plain text and get a fully functional web app within minutes. It's incredibly fast, with clean UI output and integrated hosting options. What makes it stands out is its multi-AI collaboration model, meaning it uses several AI agents working together for logic, design, and code debugging. However, it's still in early development, so customization options are limited and it can occasionally misinterpret complex logic. Now let's go to Replete, which continues to be one of the most accessible and community driven coding environments online. Its Ghostwriter AI feature has become smarter in 2025, which offers context aware code completions, instant debugging, and project deployment with just one click. Replete also supports over 50 programming languages, and its multiplayer editor is perfect for teams. However, it's not that perfect. The free tier performance can lag, and advanced AI features required a paid subscription. And now, on to Cursor, which has exploded in popularity this year among professional developers. Cursor integrates deeply with VS Code, which provides AI autocompletion, refactoring suggestions, and even inline explanations of complex code. It feels like pairing ChatGPT directly with your coding workflow. Cursor also allows fine-tuning your AI behavior based on your project needs, something neither Base 44 nor Replete currently does. Still, Cursor requires local setup and more technical knowledge to unlock its full potential, which might not suit absolute beginners. So, in terms of pricing, Replit subscription is the most beginner friendly, starting at just a few dollars per month, while Cursor offers a free tier with limited tokens but get quickly expensive with heavy use. And Base 44 on the other hand is currently in beta, which offers early access plans, which might be a good deal before official launch. When it comes to ease of use, Replit wins its all-in-one simplicity feature, while Cursor takes the crown for developer control and power, and Base 44 shows the most innovation potential for AI generated apps. So, for final verdict, if you're a beginner or a hobbyist, Replete remains the best starting point. For professional developers who want AI inside their IDE, Cursor is the best pick for you. But if you are only a startup founder or product builder aiming to generate complete apps through prompts, Base 44 is the one that is for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.